Bootstrap also styles the text of your web pages. It applies default styles to all the heading elements as well as to paragraph text. And then there are a number of classes that you can use to add some color to text or to give it some emphasis. A good example is this bit of text, which used to be inside of the Jumbotron. If we look at that in the markup, it has a class of lead. If I remove that, you can see it removes some of that emphasis. But a lot of the Bootstrap classes that deal with text, they will start with the word text. So I can center text, I can move text to the right or the left. I can also color text. So something with text danger would imply danger. At the bottom there, you can see text success. That would be a color that would imply success. Text danger, of course, a little bit on the red side. If you don't want to change the foreground color of text, there's various classes that you can use. For instance, there is a class called badge, which will give some text a circular colored background. So there's 42. That's quite useful if you're building some sort of news reader or email item reader and you want to indicate the number of unread items somewhere. There are also label classes. So I can come into where we had text danger, and instead of just being a different foreground color, I could say I want this to be a label, and I want it to be a label that implies danger. So slightly smaller text, but it certainly does stand out a little bit more as being red. And when I have this much text, that's probably not a label. This is more like a full sentence of text there. That would probably be better in an alert. What an alert will do is present greater amounts of information a little bit easier. So I can still have an alert that implies danger. And you can see that appears a little bit better when you have a lot of text. It's a little easier on the eyes. And these are just a few of the classes that I've used over the years with Bootstrap to help out with the design of web application when it comes to text.